Some critics may point out that texts prior to the Qur'an had ring structures as a literary style, and therefore we cannot use this as evidence of the Qur'an's divine origin. They put forward examples from Mary Douglas's book, Thinking in Circles, an essay on ring composition, which states that ring compositions are found throughout ancient Eastern Mediterranean literature, like Homer's Iliad, as well as the Bible. Comparing the Qur'an's structure to that of other texts is like comparing night and day. Here we will discuss 5 main reasons for this. Reason 1. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, could not read or write. So it's a lot more difficult to plan such a structure when all you have to go on is memory. The Qur'an was revealed orally, of course. Reason 2. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was not a poet nor did he have any literary reputation, and yet the Qur'an has this remarkable structure. How can a person with little to no experience or skill in poetry or literature achieve such sophistication? Reason 3. The ayahs of the Qur'an were not revealed in sequential order like with conventional texts. Surah Al-Baqarah, for example, was revealed over a period of many years with its ayahs interspaced with the revelation of ayahs from other chapters. Unlike conventional texts, this makes implementing such a structure much more difficult. Reason 4. Many ayahs of the Qur'an are linked to questions and events that occurred unexpectedly, so unless a person can predict the future, how could a human being plan the verses ahead of time when they were not in his control? Other texts such as the Bible were written by multiple authors long after Moses and Jesus, peace be upon them, which would make planning such a structure much easier. The Qur'an did not undergo any editorial process. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would fix the positions of the new verses as soon as they were revealed to him. With each new verse, again which were tied to external questions and events that were outside of his control, he would not go off and review what had been previously revealed and see where he can fit them in order to maintain this ring structure. So spontaneous revelation was immediately followed by the placement of the verse into the Qur'an, and once placed it was fixed with no opportunity for later editing. In summary, it is the unique circumstances of the revelation of the Qur'an that make its ring structure a strong argument for its divine origin. Stay tuned to the wonderful world of Qur'an by subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon.